Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by narrowing the scope so the net behaves predictably. Pick a lightweight browser and close unnecessary apps. This reduces latency and CPU load. Once done, open only 1 to 3 tabs to keep requests sparse and easy to monitor, and set a modest bandwidth cap or data throttle so transfers proceed slowly and steadily. This prevents bursts that confuse networks and makes each request observable, which is why you control pace from the very first step. Now you shape the traffic pattern, throttle, and sequence. Use an extension or network tool to limit throughput to a controlled rate, for example 0. 5 to 2 Mbps, so transfers are deliberate. Then queue requests and stagger them by a few seconds, 2 to 10, so servers and your client recover between operations. As you go, watch response times and increase pauses if errors appear. This adaptive sequencing prevents overload and reveals where slow points lie, which helps you fine-tune the flow. Finish by consolidating what you learned and restoring normal use carefully. Gradually increase speed while observing error rates, and once stable, return settings to typical values. If something fails, log the error, then retry with longer delays or smaller payloads to isolate the issue. Make sure to test a single connection after clearing cache or restarting the app. This single connection test often reveals whether the problem is a burst, a resource limit, or a transient server issue, and guides your next corrective step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.